Hello chefs, welcome back to ClosKitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I will be reviewing the CROFTON Pineapple Slicer as well as demonstrate on how to use it. So let's unbox it together. At first glance, it has a long metal tube with a plastic handle attached to it. The metal tube is also called the shaft of the pineapple slicer. It has numbers 1 through 3, which are used to measure the height of the pineapple. The bottom of the tube has a striated rim to cut out the core of the pineapple, and the opening of the tube holds the core while slicing the pineapple. The round metal bottom is equipped with a striated side to cut into the pineapple to form perfect, even slices. The pineapple slicer has a plastic handle that can be detached by squeezing the buttons together at the bottom of the handle and by doing the same to reattach it to the slicer. The first thing I need to do before slicing my pineapple is to cut off the top of my pineapple. Next, I have to measure the height of the pineapple by using the numbers 1 through 3. Once I have the height, I am ready to start slicing my pineapple. To slice this juicy pineapple, I'm placing my tube directly on the core of the pineapple. I am rotating the slicer while applying pressure at the same time. I'm going to continue rotating my slicer until the top of my pineapple reaches number 1. In order for me to remove my slicer from my pineapple, I'm grabbing the handle of the slicer and moving the handle from side to side while pulling on the slicer. This is what's left of my pineapple, the skin and the core that remains attached after using my pineapple slicer. I'm using the tip of my knife to clean up my pineapple before serving it. In order for me to remove my pineapple from my pineapple slicer, I have to detach the handle from the slicer. Here is my juicy pineapple sliced evenly. I have some nice thick slices. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this review. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.